Yo, check it. This is that maximum strength mucus relief DM. It's a tablet packing Guaifenesin, 1,200 milligrams, and Dextromethorphan, 60 milligrams, doing the extended release thing. Purpose: handles coughs and clears out mucus. Types: cough suppressant and expectorant. Uses: it's the go-to for loosening up phlegm and clearing bronchial pathways. Kick out that annoying mucus and make your coughs work for you. Temporarily relieves. Cough from the common cold or inhaling stuff. Cuts down the intensity of your cough game. Curbs the cough impulse, helping you catch some ZS. Warnings: don't roll with this if you're under 12. Hold up if you're on antidepressants, MAOIs, or just stop them. Check with your doc if you ain't sure what's in your meds. Ask a doctor if you got a persistent cough from smoking, asthma, bronchitis, or emphysema. A cough drowning in too much phlegm. When using, stick to the script, no extra doses. Dial it back if your cough sticks around for more than a week, bounces back, or brings friends like fever, rash, or a banging headache. For the moms, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult a professional before popping these. Safety deets: keep it away from kids. If things get wild, in the case of overdose, get help or ring poison control at 1-800-222-1222. How to roll: no crushing, chewing, or breaking. Just gulp it down with a glass of water. Mealtime ain't a deal breaker. Take it whenever. If you're 12 and up, 1 tablet every 12 hours. Don't push it past 2 tablets in 24 hours. If you're a kid under 12, this isn't your jam. Extra info: check the seal before you pop it. Keep it cozy between 20 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Got questions or issues? Holler at 1-888-287-1915. If things get funky, report any side effects at the same number. Stay chill.